This is for sellers. Hello?
Hi, this is Ivy with Ben Yosef Al Siddiqui. Did I catch you at an okay time for one quick question about the property you're looking to sell?
Yeah, go ahead, Ivy.
Great, thank you. May I know the location or address of the property you're interested in selling?
Oh, it's 121 Adamsville Street, Pennsylvania.
Thank you. Are you looking to sell or rent the property at 121 Adamsville Street?
Looking to sell it.
Yes, I am. Could you please tell me your preferred timeline for selling the property at 121 Adamsville Street?
In 2-3 months.
Thank you. What type of property is it at 121 Adamsville Street? Single family, townhouse, condo, or multifamily?
It's a single family home.
Thank you. How many bedrooms and bathrooms does the single family home at 121 Adamsville Street have?
It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bath.
Thank you. Is the property at 121 Adamsville Street currently owner occupied, tenant occupied, or vacant?
It's owner occupied.
Thank you for letting me know the location is Rockabye. The property at 121 Adamsville Street is in Rockabye. Is it your intention to sell the property, or are you considering renting it out?
No, I said owner occupied, not rockabye.
Understood. And what condition is the owner-occupied single-family home at 121 Adamsville Street in? Updated, average, or needs work?
It's updated.
Great, thank you. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you'd like to schedule a consultation to discuss the selling process. I'm looking forward to assisting you.
Yeah, sure. I would like to schedule a consultation.
Great, Dean. Is it okay if our team follows up with you using the contact details we already have on file, including email, to confirm next steps and a time?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great, Dean. What day and time works best? For example, Thursday at 11:30 a.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m.
How about Tuesday 9:15?
No problem. What exact day and time should I put down? For example, Thursday at 11:30 a.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m.
Tuesday at 9:15 a.m.
Thanks, Dean. That exact time may be busy. Could you pick a different time on the same day? For example, Tuesday at 2 p.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m. or Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. or Tuesday at 2:45 p.m. or Tuesday at 3:15 p.m. or Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. or Tuesday at 3:45 p.m. or Tuesday at 4 p.m.
How about Tuesday at 9:30 a.m.?
Perfect, Dean. I've scheduled it for Tuesday, December 16 at 9:30 a.m. Our team will send a confirmation using your contact details on file. Thanks again. Have a great day.
Thank you.